Hello happy people, Hamza here and welcome back to the channel. Now in this quick video, I want to show you how to overlap sections just like this. For example, if I want this other section to basically come on top of this other section, I'm simply going to select that section and I'll come here over and I overlap that section over this other section. Now that means that this section is above the other section down here. To get started, you simply come back here to your pages and then we are simply going to open up any page with Elementor. So I'll open this up with Elementor. Let's say open with Elementor. So we are going to experiment with two sections. So let me just use over here a blank canvas. So I'm simply going to create and then I add a new section over here and I'm going to add a widget into this section, and I'll have to come over here to this section and I'm going to give it like a minimum height and I'll give it a background color. Let me see, something of that sort. Okay, with our divider in there, color, I'm going to give it kind of like a white solid. Let me reduce over on this section, section height, minimum height, I'm going to give it, yeah, something of that sort. So I'm going to duplicate the same section and I'm going to just simply give the section below this color. And now we have two sections. Just by previewing, you see that we have the red section and the blue section, or whatever color. Now we want to overlap the section below on top of the section above. How do we do that? First, we are going to come to the section on top. Now you see here I'm using the Elementor navigator. When I close it over here, to pop it up, you simply just come over here on your lower extreme left hand side, click over there, then your navigator will show up. So your navigator basically gives you access or quick access to sections. So this is the first section and the one below is actually the second section. Now, if I turn off the eye over here, the second section is hidden. When I turn off the eye over here, the first section is hidden. Basically, they help you to navigate through any of them. And over here, you can simply select the section directly. Now, how do we overlap the section below on top of the section above? We're simply going to come over here to that section below, select it. We're going to come to Advanced. And under Advanced, we are going to first of all give it a negative margin. That means we are going to lift it and it goes up. So I'll unlink the margins, then come here to the top. I'm going to give it a negative margin of 100, add a negative margin. Now you see that we have moved into the first section a couple of pixels. See, this is where, notice this blue over here. That is the first section. Okay, now we have moved that much into the first section. By moving into that first section, we have by default overlapped that section. What if now you simply want the red to appear on top of the blue over there? Now what you have to do over here, you simply come and select the section that you want to now overlap on top of the other. Come to Advanced and we're going to come over here to the Z index and we're going to give this something like 10. Boom, automatically now we have the red section overlapping the blue section. Why by default the blue section overlapped the red section in the first place is that the blue section kind of had priority. Now what I mean by that is that when we come over here to these two sections, now this is the red section that is selected. I'm going to give this red section 0. Now when you give this 0, 0 means like that this layer is a 0 layer. Now that means that it's giving the priority to the lower layer. Now by default, now this lower layer is kind of having like 1. Okay, now when we add something like 0 here and come here on top and we give it a Z index of 1, boom, you see what happens? Now the red moves automatically on top of the blue. So ideally, that's how you can overlap sections in Elementor. Even when you go over to the responsive settings, still these sections will be overlapping. And at the same time, you can still apply the Z index even when you're still under the mobile settings. For example, let's now overlap the blue one, select the blue, come to the Z index. Now we are going to give it 2 because our first section, which is red, is having 1. So 2, boom. But if we give it 1, it will still work just because it is priority. But if we give it any number that is less than 1, automatically it will be back to 0. So we simply just want to give it a number that is a little or slightly bigger than the number of the first section above. So how do you do that? Simply add 2, or you can simply even give it 5, whatever number you want. Okay, we give it a 2. Now on the other hand, how about if you have 2 other sections? For example, let me duplicate this section. I'm going to remove the Z index, simply give it 0, and I'm going to remove the margin, and I'll give it a different color. So now we have the green section. So how about if we want the blue section over here, if we want it to move on top of both the sections? Now that means that you have to make sure that you apply a Z index that is greater than the Z index of the section below and the Z index of the section above. And how do we do that? First of all, you may check the Z index of the sections above. So by selecting the section above over here, simply come over here to advanced and see it has a Z index of 1. Okay, now what is that Z index of the last section? It's using a default Z index, which is probably 1. So what we are going to do for our middle section, we simply select our section and we are going to give it a Z index of 3. Now by default, that means that it will be on top of all these other sections. How do we determine that? Now we are going to come over here to the last section and come to advanced, and we are simply going to give it a negative margin, kind of to move it into the other section that is on top. So we are going to say negative margin of, let me say 20. Boom. You see that now it is actually below the blue section. In a nutshell, that's how you can overlap sections in Elementor, even on responsive devices. Thank you so much for watching. In case you have any questions, comments, let me know in the comment box below. Otherwise, have a good time and goodbye.